Motorcycle Guy's mom's 60th birthday is today and she invited me. It's so sweet of her, but Motorcycle Guy's girlfriend scares me to death, so I can't go. I'm gonna bake her favorite though, just coconut cookies. But she did say I could bring a +1. Chad. Floyd. Look, if I go, it's just gonna cause more drama. I literally want to leave these at the door and then run for my life. Coconut. Hello? This is why I can't fight Motorcycle Guy's girlfriend. Little drama wouldn't hurt, right? In the oven. If this isn't a sign to not go, I don't know what is.